Good morning, it's Matt J on his electric bike early morning tour. We're outside the train station. It's 7:54, so I'm going to stop soon, otherwise there can be people here. And I can't sing in front of people because I'm a shy boy. Say no wrong, we gonna be alright in Babylon. We sing the songs, we do no wrong, we gonna be alright in Babylon. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Where the sun beats down on me so heavenly. Good morning, boy. Sitting down with my feet. Don't swear, man. We with me girl, my head's a swirl. We gonna be alright in Babylon. Me at the bar, we play guitar. We gonna be alright in Babylon. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. All the people gather round and sing so sweetly. We raise their hands up high and they just smile at me. You're smiling? Hey, hey. Oh, 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 oh. See that, boy? Oh, 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 oh. Ready for the rap? The rap outside Neath train station, here we go. I'm just sitting back and just chilling in the sun, thinking about all that I've done. I drank it, I gambled, I've stolen a lie. Deep inside, it makes my heart cry. People pointing fingers, just pushing me around. So many times I've been knocked to the ground. Those bad days are over and I've rolled the dice. It's time to me enjoy paradise, 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 paradise. Babylon, won't belong. Babylon to sing my song. Babylon, won't belong. Babylon to sing my song. Hey, we're outside Neath train station. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Welcome to Neath train station.